Hello again everyone. Today is going to be yet another different video because this is going to be my first kind of haul, I think that is called, because KeepHifi sent all of this for review. So links to their shop in the description. They are kind of a small distributor, kind of like HiFi Go, Linsol, but they are getting, I think, started. Don't quote me on that, I don't know for sure. But yeah, they sent me all of this for review. From left to right, the HiFi T2 Plus, the KBear Stellar, the EZEar, I forgot their name. So yeah, this is the name of this. This is the EZEar Q70Y TWS, the MEMT T6, and the MEMT R7, I think. All of these will be linked in the description to their shop and all of that. And well, let's get started with the unboxing.
Why?